I see.
Nung hinuli siya ni Torre, tapos talagang abuse of power doon si Torre. Tapos nagtatanong si Duterte, ang anak ko, ang abogada ko dito, papasukin mo? He meant the Vice President. Sabi niya, hindi na po pwedeng pasukin yan. Sabi ni Digong, on authority? Sabi niya, on my authority? Vice President of the abogado ng nasasdal. Hindi papasukin. Klaseng pulis ka. Not you aren't even an authority. You are just an agent of authority. Tapos palakad-lakad siya. Sasabihin niya, hihilahin ko yan. Hihilahin ko yan. Surang yab. He was promised a promotion. That's why. Hihilahin ko yan. Former President, frail, 80 na. Halos sinakakalat ng tuwid.
Bing, Bing, Bing,
Ganyan
I have a question. Bing, Bing, I have a question. Yeah, Bing.
Tinaral ko, nasabi ko opinion ko na mali ito. Na lang
Yeah.
doon sa court na nag-confirm ng kanya warrant of arrest.